All right, thanks for stopping by. What we have here is a white sewing machine made in Japan. This is called just stretch stitches. That's the feature of this machine. This model number is 940, and it does straight stitch, zigzag, and a few decorative stitches, including a stretch stitch. And we'll just go over the front panel and sew a little bit. This is your stitch length. Your stitch width, see, it's just kind of spring action, but if you want to have it at a certain width, you just push this little plastic and move it like that, and this moves too. Just push in, push out. This is your needle position, right, middle, left. This here lowers your feed dogs, which is high and low for maybe finer fabrics like silks or satins, and then completely down so you can do some embroidery stuff where the feed dogs are disengaged completely. We'll put it back to high. Here's your stitch selector. Here's a little arrow. It only goes one direction. You can't go back the other way, just clockwise. Has a couple buttonholer settings and different stitches, which we'll go over here in a little bit. The M is means your normal stitching, like straight and zigzag. It's a class 15 machine. The bobbin goes right in here. Class 15 bobbins are very easy to come by on eBay or Amazon. So your buttonhole, your bobbin winders on this end right here. And all right, let's just sew a little bit. We're going to go do a straight stitch first. Then we'll do a zigzag. We'll just simply move this, push in, go all the way to the widest length. And then we'll do one of these specialty stitches. We'll go pass through the buttonholer section. Here's a little stitch here. And we'll try another one here. And then we'll try another one. And then the last one here. That's your stretch stitch there. It goes forward two, one back, forward two, one back. A very fortified stitch. Go back to the regular. Then there's a sample of the stitches there. Very nice, solid machine. This was, I'm guessing, was used in a like a professional setting, like maybe a factory, because there's this number that's painted on here. It says BP1A 83061. So I guess they might have had a big line of machines. There's also a number on the back. And another thing, it has been modified so it can be grounded. A lot of these older machines, they're not grounded whatsoever. There's just a two-prong AC plug. This one here, you'll see there's a ground wire, and I wondered what that was when I picked this machine up. But it is, I don't know if you can see this, but it's grounded right to the chassis in here, and this green wire goes out, and then there's a junction block inside here, so that green wire goes into the junction block where the light and motor plug into. So it's grounded, and grounded very well, I might add. So that's something interesting. Another thing is normally on the back there's a light switch here. I don't know if they may have replaced the light at some point, but that switch is gone. But to turn the light on and off, you just open it up, and there's a button right behind there. Simple as that. And then looking around the back of the machine, the motor's encased in here, and And then here's that same number that was on the front. That's kind of interesting. So I think that was part of a factory thing. You can see that's where the button used to be, but you just got to reach in, turn it off. But maybe it was replaced at some point. I don't know. But everything's here, working absolutely fabulously. I've gone through and restored everything. Everything's set to factory specifications. Everything's lubricated, fully serviced. So, yeah, it is ready to sew. Again, it is the white 940. Thanks for watching.